Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to get free API for GLM 5.2 and connect it to VS Code. So now let's make a setup. Open web browser, go to Google search, type TokenRouter, hit enter, click on first link, TokenRouter. Now you can see GLM 5.2 now free. Free offer is valid until 25th July. Close this dialog box. Click on sign in. You can see the login options, Google and X. Check on by clicking sign in. You can confirm that you have read. Now I am logging through Google account. Click on Google. Now I am signing as Google account. Close offer window. Go to models. See GLM 5.2 free model here. It is truly free. Offer valid until 25th July. Click on API key. Click on create key. Set the key name GLM 5.2 free. Quantity is 1. Select model. Search GLM. Select GLM 5.2 free. Click submit. As you can see, key is generated. So guys, let's connect GLM 5.2 free model in VS Code. Minimize web browser. Open VS Code. First we have to set up workspace. Go to Explorer. Click open folder. Click documents. Click new folder. I'm giving it name new -project. Select folder. Now workspace folder is set up. Go to extensions. Go to search. Type kilocode. Select kilocode. Click install. Click trust publisher and install. Click trust workspace and install. Now kilocode is installing. It will take just few seconds. Kilocode is installed. Go to kilocode. Now kilocode is open. Go to kilocode settings. Click provider. You can see the custom provider. Click on connect. Provider ID GLM free. Display name. Go to browser. Copy this name. Go to VS Code. Paste it here. Provider API OpenAI compatible. Base URL. Go to browser. Copy base URL. Paste it here. API key. Go to browser. Copy API key. Go to VS Code. Paste it here. Scroll down. See, one model is found. GLM 5.2 free. Click add model. Click submit. Now you can see GLM 5.2 free model is connected. Go to models. Scroll down to end. See the connected model. Select GLM 5.2 model. Click select. Now GLM 5.2 free model is connected. Now let me show you the response. Type hello. Hit enter. It's showing hello. How can I help you with your software engineering task today? I'm giving a task to him. Create a hello world web page using HTML. Hit enter. Hello world web page is created. Minimize web browser. Open this PC. Click documents. Open new project folder. Open index file. Just once. Hello world web page is open. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to get free API for GLM 5.2 free model and connect it on VS Code. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.